What's up guys? Today we have a dolphin fact one for you. Today we're going to be sharing 2 trips with you. The fishing on these trips was pretty slow, so we ended up just going for a bit of an explore. So in the next video we head out to Channel Island, and it actually ended up being an awesome day. We got to hang out with a couple of different species of dolphins, which was insane. But anyway, I'll let you guys check it out.
G'day, mate. Woo! Man, this is cool. G'day guys, what are you getting up to? You guys just hanging out with the birds? Let's see if we can get some fish. Fish on! Feels like a little snapper. Come on, little guy. Yep, it's a nice little snapper. These soft baits are awesome. Woohoo! And we're back.
In that video, you would have seen us hang out with some bottlenose dolphins and pilot whales. I don't actually know how common pilot whales are in this area, but that was honestly one of my best experiences out there. Especially with them coming so close to the ski, and they were big, man. So when we got back, I did a bit of research on Google, and apparently the ones we got to hang out with today are called the longfin pilot whales, and they are often spotted with bottlenose dolphins. Next we have another trip for you guys. This was a local one, and it was actually one of the last trips we did in 2019. So we spent the day scooting around in the bluest water I've seen in this area. And again, we got to cruise around with some more dolphins. At one point, I actually think I had a whole family swimming with me, which was really, really cool. But anyway, I'll roll those clips for you guys.
What? Check it out, it's a family. That is so cool. G'day, mate. How you doing? Look at him, just cruising with me. Hey, here comes his mate. Oh yes, work up. Drop a line. Find the dolphins, find the workup. Whoop, getting bites. Yep, fish on. Doesn't feel very big. Look at this little guy. Let's get you back in the water. Oh, come on, get off. Thank you. Those micro jigs. You lose it. This feels like another little one. There we go. Let's get you straight back in the water. Off you go. Just gonna head back to the start of the drift. See if we can get some fish. Woo! Not even a bite. Might call it a day.
Thanks for watching, guys. We really hope you guys are enjoying the content we're putting out, and hopefully we can get back out there soon and we'll film something cool for you guys. But thanks for the support, and subscribe if you haven't, or hit like. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next one.
Pick up my soul.